All right, guys, this is an Audi S5. This is what it sounds like before. Go ahead. Again. As you guys can see, it barely makes any noise. Again. Right. It's like right at 78. That's before. We'll let you guys hear after. We're doing muffler delete and tips. So what we got on today is an S5 Audi 2010, naturally aspirated, V8. What we got done on it for you guys, got factory converters up there somewhere, one on each side, then got a set of resonators there. We thought they were cats before, and when we cut them, they are resonators. And then it's got another set of resonators, another resonator, dual in, dual out, right there. Then what we did on it is a muffler delete, there and there. Rear muffler deletes, they're right here, as you guys can see. Those two. And we put quad tips instead of the regular ones, staggered. So they come with the turn of the bumper on each side. Came out really clean. There and there, really beautiful. 2.5 inch in to 4 inch outlets. Just fits it perfectly. Almost looks like the Audi symbol again. That's awesome, I love it. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. Trying to work on that B and subscribe. 2008 Audi S4. S4, right? S4 V8, really nice car. V8 beast. It's got stock converters there, and then there's two more on the manifold you guys can't see. Then it had two resonators on it. We cut them off right there. I'll show them to you in the back. Then it continues to a 2-inch pipe, and then we added 2.25 pipe and deleted the rear mufflers there and there. And then we put quad tips on it there and there. They'll look like the emblem. See that, guys? They'll look really pretty, really beautiful. There's the two resonators we cut off, and there's the two mufflers we cut off, and replaced them with straight pipe. He wants it as loud as possible, so we can. That's what we did. And like always, guys, please subscribe, like, and comment. Just keeps us going. S4 V8 Audi. Hope you guys like it. Need anymore. That is great. That sounds mean, man. Again? Here's sound decibels. Again? Rev it up a little bit higher. It reached like 111, didn't it? A little bit earlier. I got little kids, man. So I love coupes, but not when you have a family. Those tips fitted perfectly, man. I like them. Wow, this sounds phenomenal. That's sexy right there. Let you guys hear on this. Oh yeah. Oh, wow! Wow! It, 121. Go ahead and back it out. Wow! That is loud. That sounds so good. What do you guys think? That sounds so good. Let you guys hear on the inside. S5 V8. Naturally aspirated. No turbo, no supercharged, nothing. He was telling me he did a lot of research, and you guys need to stay away from the turbos on these. He's a mechanic at dealership, and the problem with the Audis that when they have a turbo or a supercharge on them, they have secondary air injection system, and it goes out and it costs a lot of money to fix, between $4,500 to $6,500. So if you're gonna look into the V8s, make sure you don't get them like that. Just some advice from a fellow car enthusiast. This sounds amazing. That is beautiful. Hope you guys like it. Bring it to our, we needed more time than that. We need at least a couple hours with it, so you need to bring it in the morning, drop it off. No problem. It's a manual too, guys. So it makes it even better.